Good morning, Fry guys. There I am. It's Monday. I actually had to work today until 2. I'm still working. It's technically like 1:15. But Journey has a doctor's appointment today. It is like kind of like a physical for foster care. They have to fill out a piece of paper saying that she's healthy and stuff. And so we are going to do that today. We're also going to pick up our physical forms me and Journey are going to go pick up our physical forms from our doctor. And then I also am going to try really hard to go get my fingerprints done, which takes like no time. But I normally go at 8 o'clock in the morning, and so I'm a little bit concerned. I don't know if I should go before the appointment. Her appointment's not till 3:40, and I'm supposed to get off at 2. I think I'm gonna have to go after, but they close at 4:30, so I guess it just all depends on if her doctor's appointment is on time or if it is not done until too late, which is probably gonna happen. But so I may have to go wait and go next Monday, but I'm gonna try really hard to go today so I don't have to worry about that anymore. But anyway, that's the plan for today. I got some laundry done this morning. It's still going, of course, but Sean and I will fold that tonight. And then I was away from the window and it got dark, but Sean and I will fold that tonight. Tonight I'm making a fettuccine, like a Alfredo pasta with shrimp, and I'm pretty excited about that, so I will film that. I've never made it before, so I don't know how good it's gonna be, but I'm willing to try. But anyway, I'm just waiting for this little girl to get picked up, and then we will go to the doctor's. So we're just sitting here waiting now for this little girl to get picked up, and I told Journey to come to go get herself a bow, and I'm gonna have her show you what bow she picked. Show me your bow that you picked. Hi. She picked a headband and a bow, didn't you? Yeah. And it's beautiful. You fixing the pillows? Yeah, put it all the way here. That looks so pretty. So we are heading out to get all of our stuffs done. It's just me and Gerger. Are you ready? Yep, we're going to Mama's doctor and Gerger's doctor. We're just going to pick up paper for my doctor, but anyway, we're headed out. So somebody fell asleep in the car, and now she doesn't want to walk. Yay! I decided to go do my fingerprints first. I decided to go ahead and do my fingerprints. Hopefully they can get me in with the next hour and 40 minutes or 20 minutes or something like that. No, Journey, no! Journey! So Journey pushed the alarm in the elevator, and luckily nothing happened, which also is a little bit scary because what if something were to happen and I needed somebody? But anyway, we didn't need anybody, and she pushed the alarm and scared me to death, but we're all good. Did you push the alarm? So we actually went in and they immediately did my fingerprints, and now we have a whole hour before her doctor's appointment, and I don't know what we're gonna do, so that's fun. But I'm so glad that we got it done so quickly because I didn't want to have to wait there for an hour. That would have been boring. So we're at the grocery store. We decided to go into Aldi really quick. With Journey and I both having coughs, I don't know that white sauce pasta is the best option for us tonight. So I went into Aldi's really quick and got a couple of red sauce pastas that I can make two, like pasta sauce, and then also got her a snack because she's hungry. Can we see your snack? Sorry, my mom called while I was doing that last clip, and I'm on my phone right now because I don't like taking my camera into public places like that because it's super weird. But anyway, we are heading to the doctor's office. We still have 40 minutes. What? No doctor? Journey's doctor. Yeah, we're going to Journey's doctor. Sticker, what else? What are you eating? A sucker. Was that fun? Yeah. Okay, so everything went good. I knew it would go good, but her doctor came in like freaking out. She thought Journey had been put into foster care, and she was so scared. She's like, I never saw any signs or anything. Well, she said it was the way they put it in the book that it looked like Journey had been put into foster care, but that's not at all the case. We want to be foster parents for those kids. But anyway, I just thought it was so sweet that she was so concerned and she was so surprised. That means that she really thinks that we're great parents, and that really, really makes me feel good. I think we're good parents, and a lot of people think we're good parents. But for the pediatrician to be so surprised, that just made me feel really good. And she also told us today that any foster kids that we have that need a doctor, she will take them immediately. So anyway, I'm gonna call Sean and tell him what happened, and then call my mom, and we're gonna go home and make dinner. So we had salad, we had shrimp and artichoke pasta, and we have garlic bread. And we have Sean and Journey feeding the dogs. And now I'm going to make some strawberry cake. I've been craving it. Strawberry cake is literally one of my favorites, and we just never make it. So we bought a box last night, and I'm gonna make some. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here we come. So we're done. We're gonna watch our shows and stuff and just hang out. Journey's in bed. So thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell next to the subscribe button. Don't forget to be the reason somebody smiles today. And we'll see you next time. Bye guys.